Welcome to 101 Ways to Transform the Way You Cook. And this one is episode 34 and it's entitled Pantry. This is my pantry, my delicacies and delicious stuff. It's packed and I've got heaps of stuff in there. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit about pantry. What does your pantry look like? What should your pantry look like? Does it have delicious delicacies? Stock it with good things. My family's history has taught me to eat well. I would rather spend money on good food that will nourish me and sustain my health than spend it on material things when they get up and throw out. Food is an essential priority to a healthy life. A pantry should have sauces, legume, oils, homemade biscotte, nuts, pickles, mustard, antipasto jars, olives, semi-sun-dried tomatoes, tuna, sardines, salmon, potatoes, onions, noodles, pasta, rice, polenta, brown rice, couscous, stocks, oils, vinegar, balsamic vinegar, red wine vinegar, apple cider vinegar, nuts, grilled peppers in jars, artichokes, fresh bread, flour, dry crackers. Make sure that you check your pantry every 6 months and regularly clean it out. This helps you to monitor expiry date items and clean it regularly, as we can end up overstocking on products. It's essential that we have a pantry that has food, herbs, salts, peppers, chilies. Remember we did the chili paste, so we've got that in the fridge. But stuff that we can utilize. Sometimes our pantries can have so much stuff in there that we didn't even really use. We used it just for a recipe that we followed, and then it's just been sitting in there for a year. So utilize dry oregano, dry mint, have legume. I have red lentils, green lentils, split peas. So many things that I utilize, because if I've got to make a soup, got that there, and it just makes life simpler, and it does transform the way you cook, because everything's at your tiptoe. You don't have to go down the street. You've got it. Regularly clean out your pantry, and then you've got things that you know what you've got, and I've had that for yonks, I don't need it, all that sort of stuff. You need a big pantry, one that you can utilize. Pastas. So you've got all your pastas, all your rice, all the stuff that you need to do quick meals and work with, and to make your life easy, simpler, no fuss, no stress. Okay? So your pantry is a priority, and if you've got a really good stock pantry, it transforms the way you cook. I hope you've enjoyed this little video. Follow me on YouTube, on Instagram and Facebook. Please like that little button there, subscribe, share it with your friends, and I'll see you the next time. Arrivederci, ciao.